So now in next step we can place air cooled chiller above the roof. So first of all, here you see this roof is not created. Now here you see this is property palette, and from discipline you can select this architecture discipline you apply. So we have this is over ceiling, but we do not create the roof. So now in this step we can create roof. So you go to this mechanical one. So here you can select this roof option. So click yes, because we create this roof on level 2. So then from here you can select this rectangular and then create this roof. So here you see this is the slope. We have a horizontal roof, that's why the slope is 0/12. Then select yes. In 3D you see this is our roof. So now we create this roof. So on rooftop we place the chiller. So again you can go to discipline and again select this mechanical discipline. So then apply this, go back to mechanical discipline. So now we can place our air cooled chiller. So for that you can select this system tab, then go to mechanical, then select this load family option. So now from your library you can select the unit. So here I have a library, then select this mechanical. So in mechanical you can go to MEP. So we have water side component, this is chiller option. So here you see we have different type of chiller. So this is screw chiller, this is screw air cooled chiller. So here you see these are different capacity of air cooled chiller. So you can select this, and now we can place air cooled chiller on top. So from here you see we place air cooled chiller on rooftop.